Boom! Welcome back everybody to The Perfect Bag, and today I've got a treat for you. It's a Greenroom136 bag. That is right. It's time for us to check out the new and updated Slingshifter. Now this bag is Greenroom136's new sling bag. It's an EDC sling and it is perfect for small city carry. Can't wait to dive into this thing with you. I've been using it now for a couple of weeks and I feel like I've got it figured out. So time to share with you what's going on with this bag. You know what we do on this channel. We do one-take bag reviews. That means we're going to do a full exterior walkthrough of the bag. We're going to then get into the pockets and the interior as well. At the end of that, you're going to get two things that I love about the bag, two things not so much, and then an overall discussion about the merits of this bag. Okay. Let's dive into it. We are talking Greenroom136. This bag maker is from Malaysia. Link in the video description as always, everybody. Exterior wise, this is the EPX or Ultra, really modern, lightweight fabric. I got this bag in this Ultra and I got this bag in multicam black as well. You can get this bag in a couple of different fabric treatments right now. My favorite is the Ultra, although I am a sucker for multicam black, and you got a little peek of that marigold interior that Greenroom is famous for. All right, let's dive into this thing. Exterior features, we've got YKK zippers. We'll talk about pockets in a second, so don't get too hung up on that. We have a hook and loop field on the front. Looks like it is, I think, so these are 1 by 1, so 1, 2, 3 by 1.5. It's a really odd little size, isn't it? Yeah, that's an odd little size so I put these odd little dudes on here. All right, so what is going on exterior wise? Well, you've got a couple of really important things, and these are updated from the last bag, or the last version of this bag, I should say. Check out this really nice nylon strap. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ah, so nice. And then it's got a fidlock buckle on it. Nice. Yep, the highest quality stuff available for this sling. You've got these gatekeeper latches here, and you've got 4 attachment points. This is like the CT5 in terms of back style here. So you can hook this up either straight across like a waist pack on the top ones, and that'll carry like a little crossbody satchel, or you can set it up like I have, which is at this 90-degree angle, which is my favorite way to wear slings. And what that means is this bag now rides flat against you and against your chest like this, and rides just exactly how you would want on the front or the back, whichever way you like to wear your slings. I like to wear my slings across my front like this. You can imagine shoulder here. This is on your chest or belly. All right. So really nice new addition here. You can also purchase this strap now on their website in the kind of spare parts section of the website, and you can update other bags if you really like this dual adjusting strap. I do. I think it's really good. All right. Let's talk about pockets, y'all. So shape-wise, space-wise, this whole thing is small. Where does it fit in the lineup? Well, let me give you one reference point. This is the Metro Runner. This is the Slingshifter, okay? And I'm going to do a whole comparison video here shortly, but you can see that the Metro Runner is about 6 inches longer than the Slingshifter. More on that later. But this is a true little EDC sling bag. All right. Pocket time. Front pocket. All right. What do we have in here? Well, we got Greenroom Gold. I love that. And you've got 2 slip pockets in the front here. What do I have in here? A wallet. Keys, and AirPods, and I've tossed a Sharpie in here. but that's a useful front pocket here. Like very, very useful front pocket. Now this shipped with no zipper pulls. So just know that, you know, you may have to add your own paracord or wherever you want, but these zippers are good quality, but a little small and hard to grab. So you may want to get zipper pulls. Main pocket, the main section here, and you can see that it zips down to just about 3/4 here, which is really good. It's a wide opening, but not so wide that it flaps all the way open. So you've still got a little bit of a safety here when you're wearing it on your front. It's not going to just accidentally flap open. But inside you've got one, on the front here, one mesh compartment. And mesh compartment has, takes the whole front of the bag, but only zips most of the way. And I've got a battery backup in here. Then right here, very nice. All this is fidget stuff. Just a bunch of fidget stuff and doodads that I'm carrying with me. How about that? Then you've got a little tech sleeve. Now this is a very little tech sleeve. It's not going to carry a lot, but in here I've got one more little phone backup, and then I've got my iPhone and wallet. So useful. Not overdone, not overwrought, very useful little pocket. And then on the back, you've got another pocket. You could use this one for your wallet very easily and keep it a little bit safer and closer to you. But that's it. That's the Sling. Let's talk about this thing. First off, it's a great little size. It's a great little size. I forget the exact number of liters. I think it's a 3 liter. Yeah, I think it's a 3 liter, maybe 3.5, but it is a very nice little size. Carries all of my everyday carry, but not sized up for a tablet or an iPad mini or anything like that. So just know that this is a pure tech carry for just city carry. Like it's all your gadgets, all your doodads, all your backup batteries, your pocket knife, just all the little must-haves while you're out and about. Two things that I love about the bag. The upgraded strap is killer. It's really good. It's really good. It's not quite long enough. Like that's a problem for me. Like it is maxed out right now and it's at a very comfortable place for me. So I could use maybe another 4 inches on the strap, but you know, your mileage may vary. I'm a big dude. All right. So the strap is great. The interior storage is exactly what I want in a Sling. Love the mesh compartment, love the little phone sleeve, and love that the rest is just one useful giant compartment. Two things that I wish or I think could be different about this bag. I don't know that I love this front zipper. And let me show you what I mean by that. You can't tell, but I'm walking away right now and grabbing a different bag that also has a front zipper. This is the City Sling 2 from Air. It also has a front zipper. But you see what they've done here? See how this is a visible zipper that is easy to operate? This one is a shielded zipper, which I'm sure offers some level of weatherproofing, but I just don't like it functionally quite as much. I like the exposed zipper, I like the ease of use, and I do wish, and this is thing number 2, I do wish that Greenroom had included zipper pulls on this Sling. I think that would have been a nice touch, and honestly, color matched to the gold interior would also be a nice touch. All right, but that's neither here nor there. So, two things that I love the organization, I love the strap, and honestly, the strap also includes, I love the choose your own adventure that they've added to the back here to wear this exactly the way you want it to. Very, very, very comfortable. The two things I think could be better, that front zipper, not a joy to use, and I think they should have included zipper pulls on this Sling. Why did I get 2? Now here's a little pro tip for you. International shipping is very expensive, but a lot of these companies that you're buying bags from internationally, they have thresholds for free shipping. So I'm keeping one of these, probably this one, and I'm just going to sell one of them. But I got free shipping, and instead of paying a ton of money for shipping, I got the second bag. And I can recoup some of that, or I can keep it. Who knows? Maybe I'll keep it. The bags both did ship with what are called silencers, which is, I mean, it closes off the look of that, but it's not silent. Did you hear it? Good night. Weird name. But anyway, silencers come with the bags. I think maybe I'd prefer patches, but whatever. Okay, so that's it for now. Lovely little sling from Greenroom. You know I love Greenroom. I love this new version of the Slingshifter. Glad that I'm finally getting a chance to review it. Glad that I bought two. I'll probably keep this one, sell this one. Check out theperfectbag.us if you ever want to check out where I sell my bags. Everybody, thanks as always. Really, really appreciate the support. I hope you enjoyed getting a chance to take a peek at the Slingshifter with me. It is a fun and funky bag. Yeah, I love it. Next video on the channel is actually going to be a full breakdown of the differences between all the slings from Greenroom136. I hope you enjoy it, and everybody, thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.